boys and girls, and welcome to Glory Guitar. We have a new song here from Ruel. It's called Cats on the Ceiling. And yeah, it's new for me. I believe it's actually a new release from Ruel. So let's go into this one. And we're going to use a capo set on the first fret to handle the chords, easiest chords possible. And we want to match with the sound. So that's the setup. Let's go into the chords. And what I can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chords. All right, so let's start with the D major 7. All right, so what you do here is to play open D, second G, second B, and second E. And what you can do there is to place a little bar on the second fret and bar the last 3 strings. All right, that's the D major 7. Next one is the E minor 7. And what you do here is to play all 6 strings open except from the second fret A string. That's it. All other strings open. That's E minor 7. Next chord is G. And that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. We have the F sharp minor. That's a bar chord where you place the bar on the second fret. That's where you place your index finger and you cover all strings there. Then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And now finally we have 3 variations of A, you can say. The first one is A6. And that is to play open A and then second D, second G, second B, and second E. And guess what? You can place a bar there, you place an index finger and cover 4 strings from bottom up and then add on the open A. So that is the A6. Then you have the A minor 7. All right, so that will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then the final chord will be A sharp major 7. So that's a bar chord. You place your index finger on the first fret. You cover 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. Then you need to add 3rd on D, 2nd on G, and then 3rd on B. All right, so we have all the chords ready now. Let's go into the strumming. And yeah, we have a strumming pattern that goes like this. I'm gonna illustrate that with the D major 7. Okay, so that will be down, down, and then comes down, up, up, down, and then down, down, up. So it's a pretty long one, and that's it. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And a couple of rounds. So we have that now. Let's go into the actual song, starting with the verse. And what you're going to do here is to alternate the 2 chords. The D major 7, you're going to play 2 string rounds of that, and then the E minor 7, 2 string rounds of that. You're going to do that back and forth for 2 rounds. So D major 2. And E minor 2. Then into the pre-chorus. Now you're gonna play G, 1 string around, and F sharp minor, 1 string around. You're gonna do that for 2 rounds. So G1, F sharp 1, G1, F sharp 1. And then you have the final part in the pre-chorus where you're gonna play E minor, 1 down, F sharp, 1 down, G, 1 down, and A6, 1 down. And that's the end of the pre-chorus. So let's do it together. G1, F sharp 1, again, and now comes E, F, G, A. Okay, so that's the pre-chorus. And now into the chorus, all right? So we're gonna continue the same strumming. Now you're gonna play the D major 7, 1 string around, then A minor 7, 1 string around, then G, 1 string around, and the A sharp major 7, 1 string around. That chord progression, D major, A minor, G, A sharp, you're gonna play for 2 chord progression rounds, like this. And that is the first chorus. Then we have the instrumental part that comes right after. You're just going to continue with the chorus, play for another round. That is the first round of everything. Now into the second verse, you're going to play that in the exact same way. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus, no changes there. And even the second chorus is played in the exact same way as the first one. So the second round is just repetition. Then after the second chorus, we have a bridge part. We are now about 2 minutes and 11 seconds into this song. What you're going to do here is to play the strumming, and you're going to play the D major 7 for 2 string rounds, and then the E minor 7, 1 string round, and the pause. That's a lyric part there. That builds up for the final part of the song, and that will be the third chorus. Guess what? The third chorus is played in the exact same way as the previous choruses. 2 rounds of that same chord progression. And that wraps it up for Ruel's Cats on the Ceiling. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this. Pretty straightforward song when it comes to strumming and the chords. Okay. There are a couple, but yeah, not too hard to handle. So anyway, good luck with this one. And if you enjoyed this tutorial or the content here on Going Guitar, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you for the support, guys. And until next time, play tuned.